Hello my friends, welcome to Prime Strings. I'm Henriette and today we are playing Coconuts and Mangoes from the Shooting Stars book. As you probably know, Coconuts and Mangoes is written in the key of B-flat major, so we're going to warm up by playing a B-flat major scale first, and we're playing it every note twice with long bows. So let's find your B-flat. Ready? And... Well done. Let's also play the B-flat major arpeggio, and the letter names of the B-flat major arpeggio are, have a go yourself first, B-flat, D, F, B-flat, D, F, and a B-flat at the top. So here comes the arpeggio. We'll play the whole arpeggio twice, but every single note we'll play once. 1, 2, 3. Very well done. I'll play Coconuts and Mangoes for you, and perhaps you can already join in with me. We're going a little bit under tempo first. 1, 2, 3, 4. been able to keep up with all of that, you may have noticed that perhaps the trickiest part for most people is the top of the second page. And we're just going to practice that separately. Okay, so let's find bar 13 and then we'll play it together. We're going slightly more slowly first. So we're starting 3 on the D string. 1 and 2 and remember those notes. So if you have a look at the beginning of bar 13, you start on a G, the third finger on the D string. Now after you've done your wriggly bit, E flat and C, that third finger comes back and you play 3, 2. Now the second finger is then the beginning of the second bar. And then once you play your quavers, bum ba, bim, bum, bum ba, there's a 2 again. So you can see that the first and last note of every bar are the same. And that might well help you to get this bit in your head, because that is really quite a tricky bit. So let's try it again and let's see if that helps. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2. 2, 1. Now keep going. 3, 3, 2, 2, 1. Well done. So once you see the structure like this, it makes it easier to remember. Let's just do that one more time, shall we? And this time I want you to start it a little bit more quietly. Okay, so we're starting at bar 13. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2. Long crescendo. So you perhaps noticed now that it's twice exactly the same. Well, exactly the same, I'm saying. The ending of each of these individual sections is slightly different, so it leads to something else. But once you've got this bit sorted, then you're fine, aren't you? So you want to practice this separately a few more times if you find this particularly tricky. It is for most people, so that is okay if you find this difficult. Just have another go and you might find it a bit easier tomorrow. Now, the second time this comes, it is a lot louder. You can see in bar 13, it says piano for your performance direction, so that means quiet. And then once it comes in bar 17, it is mezzo forte, so you can play distinctly louder then. Now, if we move on from there, in bar 21, you've got forte. So this whole section starts piano, soft, then mezzo forte, and then forte. So let's join it all up again now from bar 13, and we're going to add those louds and softs. And then we're going all the way through to the end, because towards the end there's another crescendo. Perhaps you've noticed that, the last 2 bars. And then you end fortissimo. So, bar 13. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bit louder now. Keep going louder. you can see the accents on the last note. So they are super loud and with emphasis. So well done, you. Now we're going to go back to the beginning, and I want you to focus now. Whenever you see a dotted minim, that note is 3 beats long. So we're going from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now you retake the bow, so your bow does a big circle, and here we go. 1, 2, 3. Well done. So, you've sorted out all the ins and outs of this piece now. So let's join it up from the beginning to the end, and let's play slightly faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done, and thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye.